If you have acne, I highly recommend you to stop using those red. You're still using one of these? Stop using it cause the amount of bacteria that is on it no matter how many times you wash it. And it doesn't give you the cleansing on your face that you need. Maternella disposable face towel actually do come with 150 count inside. It comes in extra large and it's also reusable. It's very much so with the towel it's not even like it's not breakable at all. So you can literally see all the makeup. More convenient than you having to like physically pour water on your face. If you have acne, I highly recommend you to stop using those rags and use the clean face towel. Stop using those rags and go ahead. Click the link below to go ahead and get y'all a 150 count face towel.